Today is Vlogmas day 3, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to get ready for the work. I gotta go to the Starbucks today, y'all. So I just want to say hello to anybody who may be new. My name is Anylah, and the best way to sum myself up, honey, is I ain't got it all. So if you can relate, you should consider subscribing, because I would love it if you would join the Banks gang. And to all my returning subscribers, hey y'all, hey honey, I'm just showing y'all brushing my teeth because y'all better be brushing y'all tongue. Now, I just showed y'all all that because I'm hoping that y'all brush y'all tongue too, because you just can't brush your teeth and not the tongue. Because if it ain't got you choking for air and reevaluating your life and making them faces like that, then you ain't brush your whole mouth right. And then because I got Invisalign, I got to brush my other teeth because, you know, them go over my teeth. Them got to be clean too. So this is what they look like after they are clean. Look, no stains, no nothing. I'm going to just pop them bad babies back on in my mouth. I'm popping in there like they some dentures. And then you gotta wash your face, because don't it feel so good after you wash your face? And then I put Vaseline on because, look, this what works for me. It may not work for you, but it worked for me. And that's all that matters, especially right now, because it's my face. Hey. Hey. Oh Lord, we done made it to the hair. Okay, so this was just an epic fail, honey. I got so much got to be glued in the front of my head, and that's why I was making them faces, because it hurted. It hurted. So after I done got all of this untwisted, unraveled, whatever you want to call it, I just got to looking at my head like, no, I can't go to work like this. I gotta fix this. So then I was like, let me brush it. And I'm telling you right now, do not brush your hair when it got all that got to be glue in it, because you're going to rip your edges out. I ain't ripped mine out, but it can happen. So this is what 10 months of growth looked like. I had cut my hair off into finger waves length earlier this year in February, y'all. Honey, I ain't make it nowhere. I'm just about to wash. I done did all that for nothing, because I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair any damn way. It's given Lord Farquaad. But I don't give a fuck. Alright, now let's get to doing something to this head of mine. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me do a swoop-de-doop on my head, and I'm gonna come back in a minute. Oh my God, because I had put some brown gel on my head and it's not looking so good. And why am I adding more? Y'all, I got hair here. It's just blonde. It's blonde. It's fucking blonde. I apologize for me having these awkward ass angles in my videos. And trust me, I have ring lights, but they broke. That's what happened, they broke. Them younger ones, they always breaking my shit. They don't get no fuck. They don't get no fuck. They use them as swords and shit. They know how to pop the head off where the ring light is at, and they run around the house with the motherfucker like this, like this, stabbing people with it. And I don't know why they do that shit. And yeah, at one point I bought 3 ring lights in 1 month, and I'm tired of wasting my money. So I quit buying them. I'm probably not doing my hair right, but let me tell you something. I don't give a fuck. It's my head. I gotta walk around with this shit on it. And I do well, because I don't give a fuck. I do not give a fuck. I do not give a fuck. You ever just not gave a fuck? That's me. Look at what I got on, y'all. Look at what I have on, y'all. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I just live my life. That's all I know how to do. I have fun, shit. Shit, I'ma embrace what the fuck. I don't give a fuck. I will wear a pink shirt, some green pants, some yellow shoes, a blue purse, honey. That's what I do. I hate doing this shit on fucking freshly washed hair. Okay, this is what she looking like now. Okay, okay, girl. This shit is so fucking ugly. Ugly. Irritating. This is what I look like now. Oh, y'all, it's 2:13, 2:14, and I gotta get ready. Alright, y'all, I done did something to my face. I did me a little 10-minute makeup look, honey. Got dressed. I don't know what the fuck I threw on. It probably don't make no sense. Who it's probably giving, I'm here, pick on me. That's probably what it's giving, but I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I'm in dress code. That's all that matters. I'm on my way to the work. Today was a chill, boring kind of day. It's 2:52. I gotta be there at 3 o'clock. I'm acting like this now, but when I get in there, everything about to change. I'm about to be excited. I'm about to be real excited. Excited. Okay, but my job is right there, so y'all may see me at the work. I don't know. All right, now your girl done finally made it to the work, and I clocked in at the 2:58, and I had to put my apron on because they got me in drive today. And I went over there and we had some downtime, so I was refilling the caramel bottles with the sauce and stuff like that. And then somebody pulled up into the drive-thru, and this is what I sounded like today. Hi, thank you for stopping at Starbucks. This is Anylah. Yeah, giving white lady. Usually I go to work and talk like this. Next time I go to work, I'm gonna be Australian. I'm like, hello, matey. But that's besides the point. So here I'm just restocking stuff. That's the caramel. And then I'm gonna redo these inclusions, refill these inclusions, and make sure you gotta date them. Okay, you gotta date them. But if you made it to this point of the video is almost over. I would like to say thank you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions and stuff like that, what drink you want me to make or something, and share this video with your family and friends. And until next time, Banks Gang, just remember, me love you, girl. It's the end of the day, honey, and it's cold as shit. It's 7:06 p.m. and it is 28 degrees outside. Let me show you all the drinks I done came out of this motherfucker with. This was before I clocked into the work, honey. This the ice white. This the venti ice white chocolate mocha with sweet cream foam, no whip, extra caramel drizzle, and line of cup. My personal favorite. But then, so look at my coworkers. They the shit. They be, oh, I love them. But this is the apple oak. This is the apple oak milk. I got no sticker on it, so I can't tell y'all. But it's the apple oak milk macchiato, something like that. Kids temp. I get it that. I ain't got no sticker on it because I just made this shit. But this shit good as fuck, y'all. This is strawberry puree with lemonade. And then I had put some strawberry inclusions in there. 1 scoop of the strawberry inclusions, 1 scoop of the dragon fruit berries, and I blended it all together, honey. This is strawberry blended lemonade with some extra shit in it. But I promise you this shit good as fuck. You should try it. And I know it's cold as hell out here, but if you like in a warm state, it's nice where you live at. I highly recommend you to go get it. Tomorrow I got a lot of driving to do because I'm going to the Chicago, because I need to work on self-love. I need to self-heal. I need to do shit like that. So I'm gonna treat myself out there to the Windy City. Why not? So that's where I'm going tomorrow. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm off of work until next week, Friday. I love my manager. I love my team. I love Starbucks, y'all. I really fucking love Starbucks because they are the shit. And for the people who be saying my eyes look yellow, honey, sometimes they look yellow, I don't know. Anywho, but yeah, I just wanted to say that. And if you have stayed this long, I would just like to thank you personally from the bottom of my heart. I truly mean it. Without you, I would not be where I am now. Thank you all for 6,000 subscribers. We are almost at 7,000 subscribers, and little old me could not, like, I still can't wrap this shit around my head. I still cry. I'm a Virgo, honey. I'm an emotional Virgo. I cry a lot. So every time I hit a new goal, whether it's 1,000 people, I fucking cry. I cry because I cannot believe that, you know, my whole life, like, if y'all really pay attention to me, my whole life, it was like I was invisible. And now that people is like recognizing me, it's just the best feeling ever in the world to be acknowledged by people, helping inspire people, just giving people a laugh, like whatever. Like, I'm just so grateful that I'm able to do that for you. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that red button, that subscribe button. I think it's over here or over here. I don't know, y'all. I gotta figure it out, but it's down there. You want to click that, and then make sure you turn all your post notifications on. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below your thoughts, opinions on this type of stuff, because I would love to chit chat. Oh shit, I would love to chit chat with you. Yeah, share this video with your family and friends, and until next time, Banks gang. Me love you, girl. Me love you.